Thank you. Thank you, Karkovel. Okay. So the program which you are going to attend is PowerGrad. PowerGrad is a, it's called Oracle Apex training program.
Do we have to record, or you will record and you will send it to me?
Yeah, we will record and give it to Manoj. Okay, or else we will
Okay.
in the training sections we will able to give you an access to record it. Okay, after even the training also we will upload these videos on the official website, so you can also see that. Okay.
Fine.
All right. Okay. So anyway, like I'll go to the next slide. Okay, so this course is like almost like 30 days of program. Maybe like, the sections maybe will finish in 15 days or 30 days. Like the program is maximum 30 days. That means in a week, maybe we will give you a schedule like in a 3 days or 2 days, depends upon the, like flexibility of the students also. So always, the training will be conducted in the evening time, like 9:30 to 10 o'clock. This is what we are scheduling it. So even if any students have any issues, so you can also like post it in the WhatsApp group. Anyway, we also have a WhatsApp group. So we will share all your numbers and all the schedules in that program about the program. So as you know that Enoch is a Indian Oracle Apex group, user group. This is a world number user group. First user group in the world, and we are giving lifetime membership. How to get that lifetime membership, I will explain you how to register yourself in the website. And we are taking SQL and PLSQL sections, like basics of SQL and PLSQL, because anyway you need to know about Oracle database. And then we are moving into the Apex, the web development tool, like low code application tool. So we'll be introducing all the features and everything. Then we are going to give an official certificate. This official certificate is valid across the globe. So this is the certificate which you are going to get in the end of the training section. And you will be having a project also, like a mini project. You can submit it. After reviewing it, we are going to give a certificate to everyone. Okay, those who are completed successfully, you will get a certificate. And at the same time, there is an Enoch Foundation badge also. You can see on your right hand side of the certificate. That is identity. You can put it on your CV to say that you are an Oracle Foundation associate. Okay. And PowerGrad full form is like training, placement, and contribution. So basically training, we are going to give a training, and at the same time, we are going to give a placement also. So this is 100%. We are not saying like 100% you will get a placement in the sense like, we are getting a quite number of inquiries across the globe, and we are not able to provide, candidates so far as per my experience. Okay. So we are going to give a training, and at the same time, we are going to give a placement. And at the same time, after getting the placement, you can contribute to the community. How to contribute it? You will be studying something. You are sharing the knowledge in the Twitter or social media, and we will also have an Oracle Apex World website. You can post it all your like contributions, so you can also share your knowledge across the globe. Okay, so we are this PowerGrad program. The Karkwel is leading the team. He's the director of training and projects, and he already started in almost 15 engineering colleges across India. So our main intention is to reach out all the colleges and introducing this low code application. Okay, so you're also like very lucky to be a part of this training, because you're also getting a hands-on experience, and not only the basic things, we are going to teach you the advanced skills also. Okay, and now how to become a member with the organization? It's a free of course. There is no charges for it, and it's a lifetime membership. You have to go to www.enoch.org, and in the corner you can see that join Enoch. It's like there's no much field is there, like maybe the name, full name, email address, mobile number, country, job title, and organization. That's it. You will get an activation link to your email, and you link it, and you will become a member of Enoch. And at the same time, we want to register, and you become a member, then you will get a lot of features, facilities, and we'll also get a lot of like opportunities across the globe, in the sense like all MNCs companies are coming to us. We are going to shortlist your CV and sending to them. Like this is all advantage, and you will get a lot of knowledge like videos, like webinars and all, you can attend it. And we also have a monthly and meetup, yearly meetups and all, and you can talk to the professionals and everything. Okay, so this is what the first steps, you become an member. And then after that, this is a second step, that if you, because you, as you all know that, like Oracle, there is an OTN. What is OTN means? Oracle Technology Network allow registered users in enhancing the skills, and also to build, deploy, and manage, optimize application to test their solution. So that means when you go to the oracle.com, you can see there is a sign into cloud also, and then sign in to create an account also. Okay, so these two things, like if you wanted to have a cloud free tier, you can practice, you can do all practices in the Oracle cloud also. And at the same time, there is an Apex instance also there. And at the same time, after creating the OTN, you will able to access all the softwares from you can download it with the free of cost for a development, for a development and your personal application development, everything you can use it once you become an OTN member. Okay, and below there is a website for Apex. Like you will get a free workspace, and Cargo will explain you how to go about all those things, and I'm just skipping it. But these all things we are going to share it with you in the WhatsApp group. And at the same time, we are going to record this video also, and we will send you the link. Okay, so you can see that how to, because the first is that you have to become a Enoch member. After that, you have to register OTN and get a username and password, and you can create an Apex workspace, and you can make use of it. You can develop any number of applications in the Oracle Apex. It's a free of cost, but you should have a OTN membership. So this is the second step. The next is, thank you very much for joining today, and I'm handing over to Mr. Karkuvel Raja Tangamaripan. He will going to lead the next section. Okay, thank you so much. Over to Karkuvel.
Thank you so much, Varghese. Yes. Good evening, everyone. Hope you all can see my screen, right? So is my screen moving? Varghese, can you confirm?
Yes, we can.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, fine. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Karkuvel Raja Tangamariappan. I am working as a lead engineer for a company called Damak Properties, Dubai. I am Oracle certified professional, Oracle ACE Pro, having 8+ years of experience in developing web application using Oracle Apex. Also, I am serving as the director, training and special project for the community called Indian Oracle Apex User Group. Okay, let's see the session agenda, what we are going to see today. And we will be talking about what is Oracle Apex. So, and what is Oracle Apex community, and how Oracle uses Oracle Apex platform for their application development, and getting started with Oracle Apex and ending up with how we can effectively build on application with Oracle Apex. This is the session agenda. Okay, let's get into the session. What is Oracle Apex? So the question might rise on your mind. Okay, the definition is in the single line. So build enterprise apps 20 times faster with 100 times less code is a meaningful line. So once again, I'm repeating. So build enterprise apps 20 times faster with 100 times less code. That is the definition of Oracle Apex. Yes, Oracle Application Express. This Oracle Apex is a low-code development platform that will enables you to build a scalable, secure enterprise app with world-class feature. We'll talk about world-class feature later, and it's a big topic. And that can be deployed anywhere. That can be deployed anywhere in the sense you can deploy the app which you build on premises, on cloud and private cloud, and like AWS or Google, whatever. So that's what they mentioned, that can be deployed anywhere. Using Apex, developers can quickly develop and deploy the mission critical apps that solves real-time problems and provide immediate values. Okay, what is meant by low code? Now we have seen what is Oracle Apex. We have telling that like Oracle Apex is a low-code platform. So now let's see what is meant by low-code. Yes, low-code or no-code is a development platforms or type of visual softwares development environments that allows enterprise developers to drag and drop application components. Application components is nothing but items, buttons, regions, pages, to drag and drop application components, connect them together, and create either mobile app or web apps. That is called low code. So, like, what are the like softwares that is eliminating the handwritten code? It is called low code. So, Apex has got top rating. So, it will eliminate 98% of handwritten code. Okay. Do you need to have programming skills to kickstart your journey with Oracle Apex? I would say no. Yes, you no need to be an expert in waste of technologies to deliver sophisticated solutions. So you need to focus on only the problem solving, and remaining Apex takes care of that. Why? Because Oracle Apex is the low code platform. Already we spoke about it. Okay. So what should you guys know before getting into Oracle Apex or before starting your career with Oracle Apex? Yes. You need to have a basic knowledge about Oracle SQL, that is optional, not mandatory, and basic knowledge about PLSQL and HTML is a beneficial. So that also optional, but if you know this, and it will be an advantage. And basic understanding about web application, even as an end user, not as a developer. So even as an end user, in the sense like you should know how to use the web application. So that understanding, if you guys are having these three skills, that to basic level, you guys can kickstart your journey with Oracle Apex. That's what I can say. Okay, is Oracle Apex free? Yes, it's free. Yes, if you have Oracle database, you already have on Oracle Apex, which means so the organization which are they are having Oracle database, Oracle Apex comes with free of cost. They no need to pay anything for the software. They should pay only for the resource. Apex is a fully supported no cost features of Oracle database, the most complete integrated and secure data platform for any scale deployments. The solid foundation, the architecture of Oracle Apex enables apps built using Apex to natively access and interact with all of the capabilities of Oracle database. Okay, now we know what is Oracle Apex and what is low code platform. And before getting started with Oracle Apex, what should we know? Okay, and we know that Oracle Apex also free. Then you might be thinking that why I should use Oracle Apex, why I want to use Oracle Apex. The answer is here. The answer is also in the single line. It will eliminate 98% of hand coding Oracle Apex. Yes, how it will eliminate the 98% of hand coding. The description is here. There is a cost associated with every lines of code that you are written in your app. By the way of it will cost to the author who is writing the program and maintaining the program, debugging it, upgrading it. If new version comes, you need to upgrade. For that you need to pay, and in order to secure it, there is a cost associated with every lines of the program or every lines of the code that you are writing for your app. So Oracle Apex helps you to avoid these costs by eliminating the need to write this code in the first place. There are numerous complexities involved in developing a modern web application. It's not easy to build modern application nowadays. There are a lot of complexities involved. So like including security, accessibility, efficient data access, globalization, which is nothing but multi-language application. Now the application should be if we are able to, the software should be able to give like we are expecting the software should be built in like all the languages. That is called globalization. And then performance, these are all the main challenging part, and that Oracle Apex will be taking care of at for the free of cost. These are typically addressed by handwritten code before. However, this has nothing to do with the business problems you are trying to solve. Okay, Oracle Apex enables you to focus on only your business problems by eliminating this burden and providing world-class components. What is world-class components? So you can see that navigation bar, navigation menu, regions, icons, and colors and the themes, templates. These all comes under the world-class component. For that, you no need to write single line of code in order to design those components. So world-class components, which will comes with like no coding is required, and modern user interface, no coding, and then native web service integration, which means Oracle Apex has a facility to talk to any kind of other third-party softwares. So that is called, you can easily integrate Oracle Apex application with third-party software. So that also no coding is required. You might be wondering how the web service integrations can be done without writing the coding. So nowadays we are writing in Java in order to create a web services. Oracle Apex, they have a provision in order to create a web service. So the integration also can be easy. Okay. Oracle Apex, that is a workflow. Like you can continuously develop your application. If you want any customization, you can do. If you're not happy with the customization, then you can again ask your developer to redesign it, and then you can do the customization and you can continuously deliver the product. Okay, and this UI, like modern accessible UI for any devices, which is fully customizable and responsive apps. The first image is for desktop, second image is for iPad, third image is for mobile device. So the same application can be rendered in any devices. So this application is responsive. Like the same application can be used in any devices. It will fit for any devices. Okay. This is all about Oracle Apex theoretically. So let's talk about the Oracle Apex community a little bit. So we have a Oracle World community, Oracle Apex World community, which is called Apex.world. So community analysis they have recently done based on the support requests, downloads, conferences, discussions, forum activities, and the number of blockers. Based on that, they came to know that 5 lakhs developers worldwide, over 5 lakhs developers are there for Oracle Apex, and then more than 100 active blockers are there. So you can go and see apex.oracle.com/community. So you can consult, you can see their consulting companies, books, success stories, codes, and commercial apps. Okay, so community, this community site built by the community and which is for the community. See the tagline, how they have defined. See this community site built by the community people, and it's for the community people, and this application built on Oracle Apex. So community authored site providing plugins, Slack discussion channels, Twitter feeds, news, jobs, conferences, meetups. Okay, and let's see how Oracle uses Oracle Apex internally. See, ask tom.com, asktom.oracle.com. So this is Oracle site, which was developed in Oracle Apex, and Oracle Application Express Office Hours. This application was built in Oracle Apex, and these are all the useful links for you to in order to see how Oracle effectively uses Oracle Apex for their internal application development. So free Apex services and Oracle OTN, which Varghese Matthew explained. So that portal also developed with Oracle Apex and Oracle Apex community, Oracle Apex, low code, quick SQL, database cloud services, Oracle Learning Library, Oracle Apex Education, Oracle Cloud Free Trial. Okay, this is a time to getting started with Oracle Apex by building on application with Oracle Apex. Let's get into the demo for some time. Yeah. Okay, there is a site called apex.oracle.com/en. So where you can see an option sign in. If you don't have account, first you need to request. So when you click sign in, If you are having already workspace, username, password, like if you have a credential, then you can able to log in, or you need to request your workspace by clicking the request workspace. So now there is a identification section. So where you can see some of the attributes that needs to be filled, like first name, email, and what is the workspace name, and from which country you are requesting this, and what is the purpose of requesting this workspace, usage like personal or organization. So let me fill the information. So first name, I'm saying my name, where you can give your name and your email address. So you no need to download any software in order to access free Oracle Apex site. So workspace, you can give anything. Like I'm just saying Kerala Oracle Apex Explore. If we are exploring the Oracle Apex. That's what I'm just giving the name like this. So country. So from United Arab Emirates, I'm requesting. And then usage, it's for personal usage, not for organization. The usage I'm selecting as a personal. Uh, if you want, if usage is organization, then you need to give the organization. Personal, then you click next. Okay, and there's a survey. You need to ask, you need to answer these two questions. These questions are mandatory. Are you new to Apex? Yes, I'm new to Apex. Do you have a plan to use this workspace for a university classes or training? Yes, I'm doing that for, okay. And then click next. And there will be a justification you need to written for some few words like, why are you requesting this survey? I'm saying demonstration. So you need to give the valid request. Then only Oracle Apex team will approve your request, or there may be a possibility they can reject if your request reason is not valid. So click next, and there is a agreement to use this software. You need to accept the terms and click next. There will be a confirmation. So check your all the informations what you have filled, whether it is right or not, and workspace name. Copy this workspace name and submit a request. And nice pop-up will come up with saying that you will receive an email to activate your workspace once this request has been approved. So now the request has been sent to Oracle Apex team for the verification. They will be checking whether your request is valid or not by checking the request description and then the information that you are providing. And it will take maximum or minimum 10 seconds to 30 seconds. Okay, yeah, see, the mail has come now. Action record, account request for Karkuvel Raja Tankamariappan, like workspace request approved, which means I have raised the valid request. A workspace name, this is my workspace name, copy this. Now we have requested the workspace has got approved, and now it's a time to create a workspace in order to create a application. So I'm just clicking create workspace. Now the workspace is getting created where I can able to create an application. Okay, now workspace has been created successfully. Okay, now is the time to sign in. So click continue to sign in. You need to set the password for your workspace. I have set my password. So it will take you to the Oracle Apex workspace homepage. Here you can see an option called App Builder where you can keep all your application. So click on App Builder. Here you can see Get Started Now. So the two options will be there. Create a new application or install a starter or sample app. So if you want to download any sample app, you can click this option, or you can on top, there is an option called Gallery. Click Gallery. There are lot of sample apps are there. In order for like it will be exciting you whenever you have a time. Please go to gallery and download it's simple. So you need to click install. Nice pop-up will comes up where you can see the application information and click install application. It will be installing in your workspace. Now it's installing. The sample application is installing now. Once it's installed, you need to click the run application. authenticate like the credential what you need to put, which you have used for your workspace, the same authenticate credential you can use it. The sample calendar we are seeing, so what all the calendars Oracle Apex is providing. So these are the sample application you can see. So there is an option to edit how to see how they have created this. See, click on quick edit and mouse over the components. Click this. It will take you to the page designer where you can see how they have created. See here you can see they have put HTML code. Here you can see like this, you can see how they have created this kind of sample application. This is the way to install the sample application. And there's a started apps. Started apps is nothing but, see, sample apps is nothing but like what all the components and features Oracle Apex is providing and how they have done it. Started apps is nothing but customers. This is the customer CRM application they have built. There's a full like functionality also there and technical assistance also there, and opportunities application, and then there is application for pool, and then like team calendars. So these are the started up, these are the business application. If you want, you can use this same application for your business, or you can change little things on the existing application and then you can give it to your customer. Okay, fine. Now is the time to create a simple application. You will be wondering how this can be done with Oracle Apex. So click App Builder, create. When you click create, you can see three options. One is new application, another one is from your file, another is started apps, which is nothing but the gallery application that we have seen just now before. Okay, new application we are not going to talk about today. From your file, upload here. See the description. Upload here CSV or XLS or XML or JSON file, or copy and paste the text data, then create application. Have you ever imagined? See, I have a data. That's it. I have the Excel with me. See, I have my Excel with me. The Excel name is budget, where I have budget information like product, task name, sorry, project, task name, start date, end date, and what is the status of the status, and the task is assigned to whom, and what is the cost, and what is the budget. This is the data I am having. For this data, I want to build a nice application. See, whenever we are creating application should have a dashboard, correct? And then that application should have a forms and reports, which is nothing but like forms is nothing but to get the information and put it in and storing it in the database. Reports is nothing but to show the data from the like to in order to show the data, we need to create a report. So forms and report, and then search. So we will be seeing faceted search. What is faceted search? I think you might seen in a face like Amazon and Flipkart website. The left side, there will be a filter option will be there in the left uh, pan, and then right side, all the product will be there. So you can apply multiple filters. Based on multiple filters, the product will be refreshed in the right side pan. That is called faceted search, and then nice calendar. These all these are the screens Oracle Apex is going to create. We will not even write single line of code. Like, let's see. Okay, click from your file. So I have like I have the file, which is there. Okay, drag and drop a file. So I am going to upload this file. So file name is budget. Let me open it. Just bring it in the desktop. Choose a file. The file name is budget. Yes, it's uploading now. Yes, here you can see parsed first 74 rows. So the file has 73 records. So it is showing 74 rows. Why means it's including the header also. Okay. And here there is an option to create a table. The first step, like in order to create a web application, you should have a data, correct? So the data, we have it in the Excel file. Now the data should be somewhere. We need to push it to somewhere in the database. So the best option would be we need to create a table where we can store the data. So that's what we are going to do. Like budget. Okay, it's uploading now. And I'm going to say new table, create a new table for this. I'm saying budget. Okay, nothing else I'm doing here. So I'm just saying budget, what is the new table name? And this is a data which came from the Excel file which we uploaded. So I'm just saying load data. When I'm clicking load data, what Oracle Apex is doing under the hood is that it will create a table for budget, okay, with these columns and the data types, respective data types, and it will push all the records into the object which created, which is nothing but budget. So before, like 8 years, 7 years before, we need to create a table and we need to prepare a script to move it to the UAT. We need to compile it, and then we will be experiencing some error, and then moving the data from Excel to the table. It was not easy job before. Now everything is easy. So all what you need to know is you need to know how this navigation should work, and then how you can like the navigation you should remember. Okay. The table name is budget. I am loading the data now. So the data is loading. The status is finished within a fraction of a second. The table budget created with the 73 rows. Okay, here there is an option create application. I am just clicking the create application. You will be wondering the application is creating. See, this is application name. Where it is coming from? It is coming from the object name that is called AI, like artificial intelligence and machine learning. Based on the data you are giving, everything is automatically filled. And then if you see pages here, did we create any page? Nothing. Did we add any options? No. Home page, the type is blank. Dashboard, the type is dashboard. Budget search is the pasted search. Budget report, it's an interactive report with form. Calendar. We didn't even write single piece of code in order to create these pages. Okay, there's a feature install progressive web application. What is progressive web application? It will give your app the ability to be installed. So before you were not able to install these apps on your system or on your mobile devices. It was a big disadvantages. It was a big disadvantage. Now the coming releases, they have started out this issue. See the feature, you need to tick install progressive web application. Once the application is created, there will be an option install progressive web application on your device. So you can click and install. It will be installed on your desktop, where that application will be working as a native application. Even though your internet is, you are not able to communicate with your network, so no worries, the application will still works in offline mode. So you can ask question how the data will be inserted when mobile data is not there, screen is rendering. If I am entering the data, what would happen? The data will be stored in the offline mode. Once you come back to the online, the data will be stored into the database. That kind of features Oracle Apex has released. That is the beauty of progressive web application, which is nothing but PWA. Now there's a time to create application. I'm creating application. Creating application is a sequential process. First pages will be created one by one from the home dashboard, pasted search, budget reports, and then progress features, and finally it will be finishing up. See, total, how many pages are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 actual pages. 0 is the global page. 7, and then login page. It's a totally 8 page has been created. So imagine the situation, like if you want to create those pages using HTML, CSS, it will take minimum 1 month for this complete module. We will see how Oracle Apex created this product nicely. So I just clicked run application. So my login page has come up. I'm logging in with my workspace credential. You will be wondering, there is a hamburger menu. Click on the hamburger menu. See, these are world-class features. Those icons, the breadcrumbs, and then heroes, and the navigation menu, navigation bars, navigation menus. These are world-class components. Okay, click home where you can see the dashboard. Click dashboard where you can see charts. Did we write any logics to bring the chart? No, we just have a data in our in the form of Excel. We uploaded the data. Oracle Apex read the data, and based on the data, it aligned and then created the application like this. See, within 30 seconds, you can build a nice application with Oracle Apex and see the budget search. So that will be the faceted search. Here you can see multiple options. So if you want to create those applications in other technologies, it will take minimum at least 1 week. See, based on the search, the data will be rendered. See, I have selected the project, client server conversation. See, if you filter this project, only 4 records will come up. So before filtering itself, you will get to know how many records the application will show if I am applying this filter and the assign to. Okay, I am selecting assign to Scott. So now on total, 2 records will be there, and status closed, 2 records will be there. The cost greater than equal to 1,000, only 1 record is there. So here you can see the total round count, and then here you can see the filters that you applied. If you want to reset, click reset, you can able to reset. Okay, fine. And the next thing is budget report. See here, you can see edit option in order to edit the attributes. Instead of ACME web expression configuration, I am just adding demo. The project name I am just changing. After changing, I'm just clicking apply changes. See, we didn't even write update query for that or insert query for that. There's option create. See where you can add new budget data. And then here you can see the calendar information. The nice calendar has been built for you. And the data is starting in the year 2019. So that's what it is not visible for the 2021 and 2022. I'm way back to 2019, January. So where you can see, these are the tasks are planned on those particular days. So these are the things. Imagine the situation if you want to develop these kind of application in different technologies. It will take maybe for sure it will take 1 week to 2 weeks for the expert. So as a fresher, you no need to learn anything. So if you have a basic skill about how the web application being how to use the web application, if you have these skills, that is good enough for you to start your career with Oracle Apex. And I already told, I was talking about PWA, which is nothing but progressive web application. There's an option install app. When you click, it will ask you to install. That's it. So it's installed. If you see here, it will be working as a native application. Here you can see the application icon. Okay, I'm closing this. I'm minimizing those all the windows, and I'm checking this in the desktop. So there is a app budget. So which means the application is installed. So I'm just double clicking. So it's open. I need to, in order to log in, I need to put the credential. See, done. So the application will be working as a native application. So no one will say this is based on the browser. When you are opening this application in the mobile, it will be rendering nicely for the mobile. For that, click inspect. Sorry, option is not visible for me. So right click, inspect. There is a mobile, you can select the mobile devices. So based on the selection, so you can see how this application will be rendered for each devices. So these kind of beautifulness you cannot. I don't think so. There must be some app, but I never seen any kind of app like this.
The data
And
is pulling from cloud, or
no, the data is now it's apex.oracle.com, which is on their on premises. So there is another link called apex.cloud services. So where the data will be residing in the cloud.
while installing in your machine.
Yeah.
So I believe the soft means the application is installed. Also, the
Yes.
data also installed in your system. How it works?
No,
Yeah, you can tell Karkal.
no, it will not like it will pull from the cloud only.
Okay.
Yeah, the data will not be there. So only the pages will be there.
So basically,
Like,
I
yeah,
can add the data, but I cannot fetch it if it is
correct.
offline. Correct?
Yes.
I can add and mod the data, which add addition, modification, deletion on the data which I have done offline
It
is possible.
possible, but it will reflect once you back online, like Facebook, Instagram. When you are commenting, na, like if you are offline, then the comment will be waiting. But when you back to online, then the comment will be posted. It's like that.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is the beauty of PWA. They brought this feature in this release 22.1.
Okay.
And once again, coming back to slide for a few minutes.
There will be a question answers section in the end. You can ask any questions. We are able to answer it. Okay, thank you.
Okay, and references, I would like to thank those links which I referred. And this is my communication channels. I'm very much active in Twitter, LinkedIn. So if you have a doubt, you can ask me via LinkedIn and Twitter. And
Karkal, your PowerPoint is not moving. Eh?
1 second, sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay, fine. This is my communication channel. I'm very much active on LinkedIn and Twitter. So if you have any queries, you can ask me via LinkedIn or Twitter. So blogs, this is my blog, oracleking.blogpost.com. So I have written so far 140 blogs on Oracle Apex. Okay, this is the time for question and answer. So you can ask questions.
We were talking about the table creation from Excel.
Yeah.
Like from Excel, can we do it from a text file? Probably it's a CSV file or a tab separated file.
See, CSV file you can upload, the tab separated or some other delimited separated. So
Yeah.
that's what they have given a provision, copy and paste. You need to mention the delimiter.
Fine.
Yeah, CSV is comma separated value. The
Yeah.
like a pipe symbol or different symbols are there. When data migration
Yeah.
comes, data can be any separated.
Yeah.
So you need to mention the data is separated by which symbol. Then
Okay.
Oracle Apex will take
We
care
have
of
to
the
tell
rest.
the delimiter.
Exactly.
Yeah, and when we created a table through Excel, can we modify the data field types later?
Exactly. Yeah, yes, you can do. So if you
Okay.
want, I can show you now. There is an option called object browser where you
Okay.
can see the like Oracle created an object
Okay.
where you can add, modify, where you can add, modify data, and then you can do the DDL also. So
Okay.
it will
Okay.
support. Yeah.
And here, not only it was creating the headers, it was creating the data as well. It was fetching the data from the Excel.
Exactly.
Now, my question is, can I append the data from an Excel file? I mean, I have
Yes.
the database already. Now,
Yes.
what I want is I want to take some data from, for example, if you're asking a life example, like the attendance from the site, they are
I got
sending
your
by Excel
question.
file. They are
Yeah,
sending from Excel file. You know, in your organization also, the sites.
I got
So
your
they can
question.
send Excel file or CSV file,
Yeah.
and here we can update the data, upload the data. Correct?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. So now we have created the new object, right? So there is one option called existing table.
Okay.
So you need to select the existing table. And the important thing is the table structure and your Excel file structure should be same. Otherwise, there will be a mess.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Then you can
I'll-
push the data.
Okay. Some fields, if it is empty, which I am not collecting from the site. So in that case, how we will handle it?
No,
in the
it will.
Excel empty
Yeah.
field will be there. That's it.
Yes. See, the Excel,
Yeah.
the main concept is comma separated. If it is
Fine.
null, if you converting CSV to TX, like a TXT file, where you can see the data. If it is empty, means empty space will be there and then followed by comma.
Fine.
So that that is the
Yeah, I
basic
got it.
of
Got it.
CSV.
Clear.
Yeah, I have worked in data migration also, because where I have seen pipe separated and so many
Even
different
slash is there.
elemented. Yeah,
Even slash separated is there.
very
Yeah.
difficult.
Manoj, and at the same time, Oracle Apex is running on autonomous database, so that when you go to the workspace, you'll be able to access same like object browser, tables, views, procedures, package, everything you can see it.
Okay.
Same like, okay, same
Okay.
like what we are doing in SQL Plus. Same
Fine.
objects you can see, you can add, you can create and everything. So the coming sections you'll understand how to do it. But being
Okay.
I know that Manoj is very experienced in programming, so definitely it's an asset. Okay.
It
And
should be good to
Shijo,
have this kind of
so
resource.
you have any questions related to that? And you're Shijo's friend also, because it's how do we Moni? I don't know how it pronounced. So if you have any,
Vaikunda. His name is Vaikunda. I hope he's familiar with Apex as well.
oh really? Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. So okay.
Vaikunda, you can just
Yeah,
probably you
yes, yes. My name is Vaikunda Moni.
Correct
Okay,
me,
Yes,
sir,
yeah.
if I presented anything wrong.
No.
he's a
So I
senior
don't have the
architect.
Apex experience. I have 5 years PLSQL forms reports,
Oh, that's
Okay.
good.
that kind of development. Yeah, ERP developed.
So good. That,
Okay.
so all are experienced in this today's section.
Here we are creating the forms automatically, right? Forms, reports, and all automatically it is creating. Those
Okay.
forms and report also we can modify. Definitely we
Okay.
can modify, right?
Yep. Yeah.
As per our requirement.
Yes.
Manoj, at the same time, you can create from the scratch. Okay, so you can
Yeah,
same like next pulling what are the fields you require to design the forms. Everything you can do. Even if it is automatic, you can also manually you can do it.
Okay, yeah, manually we can do. The automated one we can modify as well,
Yes,
right?
yes. Of
Yeah,
course,
yeah.
of course.
And the offline collection, a small clarification is required. In offline, we can add data.
Yeah.
The same data, I can do a modification and deletion as well.
Yes.
The same data, I can do a mod and del as well, correct?
Yes. DML also you can do.
It's not connected to the server. It is offline.
No, it will be. See, I have read their blog. What they are saying is like for the some time, quite some time, they will keep it in their memory or something, cache. So it's a big topic. So like PWA, they have presented 2 hours how the PWA is operating. So where they have mentioned saying that like what are the changes and then what are the things that you are doing related to the data, it will be in their cache for some time. When you become when you are when you go to the online, then all the things will be restored. It's like that they mentioned.
Yeah, that I agreed. My question is, I have added 10 records.
Okay.
Later, I am thinking like there is some kind of modification, and I have to do those modification offline itself for the 10.
No, that for that you need because that entry should be moved to the database. Then only you can do, right. So existing data you can modify, which is already there in the server. So the new one, the newly added one, that has to first go to reach to the database. Then only
I can do a mod
yeah.
and del.
Yes.
Manoj, one more thing, like, there is a primary and standby database. You can keep it where you can put the database on the Oracle cloud, and then offline you have a server which is connected to an offline database. Then you can, as soon as it get connected, you can replicate it also. So Apex is always running on the top of the database. Okay, database is must required for running the Oracle Apex. It's not like a separate application, but application always installed inside the database, not outside the database. Okay.
Great.
Muhammad Ibrahim, anybody has any doubt? Fatima, anybody, to those who joined today, you have any queries? Because what is our plan is that, today we are just giving a walkthrough of our application. So in the coming sections, we are starting from the basics, how to design a form, how to generate a report, how to create, how to connect and everything. It will be very interesting. And at the same time, I request everyone to create an OTN membership, create a workspace. It is a free of cost. And please register yourself in our community, so that will be helpful. And there's a Telegram channel, there's a WhatsApp group. You can send a query within a few minutes, you will get a result, because all are like professionally working in a different companies, and all are passionate about Oracle Apex. So thank you, John. Thank you everyone for joining today. If you have any questions to be clear, please ask. No problem. We have another 10 more minutes. We are just winding up at 9:15 because we started at 8:15. So we are going to wind up 9:15. And Shijo, you have any doubt, any clarification?
Not really. I hope means all the data types that the traditional databases supporting, no?
Yes.
That will support here as well, right?
Correct.
Yes.
Yeah.
Veeram Mani, no?
Vaigundam.
Vaigundam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Moni.
Okay. So
Vaigundam Moni.
you will also be joining for the coming section, or just like today you came and say hi?
No, I will be continuously joining.
Okay. So, and at the same time, we also required your support also, because being in the same time, because in the Oracle database and all those things, you can also few tips and tricks you can share with the youngsters, because here there are a lot of professional programmers. They have a lot of experienced people who are joining today. I don't want to call the name, but all are experienced, so that there are a lot of youngsters also there. So you can also support them. Your experience, share the knowledge, spread the knowledge to everyone. That is our main mission.
Sure.
Okay.
First time we are getting so many questions. It's it's really good to have this kind of people in the panel. Thank you, Manoj sir.
Nandana, Arya, Irene, anybody has? Fatima, you have any questions? Or Mohammed, you have any questions related to this? Have you done any exercise on workspace before?
Yes, sir. Everything is good, sir.
Okay.
I have already completed SQL and PL what you have given. I have completed, no problem, sir.
All right, no problem.
I am always waiting for our class.
Okay. Mohammed Ibrahim is since long time. We are waiting because of the PowerGrad program. We are delayed, but anyway, we will be continuing. And at the same time, those who are joined today, and you can share the email address or your contact number, and there's a WhatsApp group. Kalyani is here. Kalyani is leading this group. So Kalyani, you can you can collect the numbers, and then you can add in the WhatsApp group, and everybody will come to know when is the next schedule and all those stuff. Okay. Kindly, yeah. Kindly, can you just send your WhatsApp number, the group number on your chat box, so that they can create, and you can add them. You are hearing? I think okay, no problem.
Yes, sir, everyone hearing.
Yeah, it's okay. I will add. I think all other members, I know that, because few of them are joining.
There is a group already, right?
Yeah, pardon?
There is a group already, right?
Yeah, there's already one group is there. I can add Manoj, Shijo, and all those. Shijo, both of you, Shijo's number I know. When Shijo's add, then you can share the number. If anybody is not there in the group, you can send us in the chat, the mobile number and name, so that we can add it in the group. Okay, in a week, maybe 4 sections will be there. So definitely we will keep you updated for the class timetable, so that everybody will be aware that when is a class section. So not tomorrow, day after again we will be having section. So thank you very much. I'm just copying the numbers. Just those who are not in the group, please add. Please give us the number so that we can add that in the number. 1 minute.
But timing will be remain same, correct?
Yeah, timing will be remain same time only, Indian time. So everybody will be working, and so that relax and come and attend the section. Okay. So if any timing will not be changing, like the same thing, 9:30 to, I think everybody is comfortable with the timing, right?
Yes, I think it's
Oh, yes.
good.
Yeah. Okay. So because in India, like after food or maybe you can relax and you can join it. Okay. So thank you. I'm just any doubt is that you can ask Karkavel, because I'm just copying the number for the adding up in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Anyway, I think almost all the people I got the number. Once again, thank you everyone. So see you not tomorrow, day after. We will keep you,
Posted.
day after when we start, we will give you the schedule. Okay. Like when is the classes, so that we'll just prepare. I'll just discuss with the Karkwel, and then we'll prepare a schedule and share it to all, so that you will be aware that when is the class, you will be prepared and come. Okay. Thanks a lot. And thank you, Karkavel, for your
Thank you.
wonderful section. Always you will be rocking in the sections. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you everyone. So let us meet day after tomorrow. Have a good day. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
all.
you, everyone. Thank
You,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
So much.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.